CBS Fox Video presents a collector's preview.
CBS Fox Video has seen the future, and it's not good. Journey to a time when man and beast have changed places. A time when Earth has become the planet of the apes.
How in hell did this upside-down civilization get started?
The only good human is a dead human!
We came from your future.
The mere fact of your existence will be regarded as a great threat to mankind.
Guns are power!
It's one of the most unique science fiction series ever. Now, all 5 films are being offered at a new low price. Venture into the intriguing world of the Planet of the Apes collection. In the classic original, Charlton Heston crash lands on a planet ruled by apes and finds himself among the hunted.
The sooner he is exterminated, the better.
Kim Hunter and Roddy McDowall are his only hope for survival.
You're so damned ugly.
Nominated for 2 1968 Academy Awards for Best Original Score and Best Costume Design, and winner of an honorary Academy Award for John Chambers' outstanding makeup achievement.
You know what they say, human see, human do.
Written by Michael Wilson and Rod Serling of Twilight Zone fame.
Humans can't write.
And directed by Franklin J. Schaffner.
This whole thing is insane!
It's a harrowing first visit to the Planet of the Apes. In the second film, James Franciscus faces a frightening possibility.
They will dissect you, and they will kill you, in that order.
Charlton Heston is lost in the Forbidden Zone.
Where in hell do we go from here?
Get ready for a shock and some explosive action beneath the Planet of the Apes. In the following film, Roddy McDowall and Kim Hunter travel back to the future.
We have traveled from Earth's future to Earth's past.
Their knowledge of what will be could kill them.
You are asking me to risk imprisonment for the sake of 2 fugitive apes?
For breathtaking adventure, escape from the Planet of the Apes. In the 4th film, Roddy McDowall leads the charge.
Go!
Mankind faces its biggest challenge.
Ape management is in the hands of the apes.
This time it's war.
The king is dead.
Long live the king!
Winner takes all in Conquest of the Planet of the Apes. In the 5th film,
Ape has never killed ape.
Roddy McDowall may have met his match in Claude Akins.
I think that all those hatred is not confined to humans.
Don't miss the last confrontation.
Now fight like apes!
It's the apocalyptic Battle for the Planet of the Apes.